Itaola, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to get a 50 Rand sign up bonus. Danko. Welcome to Amafenza to TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, AmaZulu 0. I'm joined by the Kovikan.
Yola, you'll never be a Steve.
I can't.
Yes, Steve fall, Steve.
Yeah, I don't know if Chaka.
Kimnati.
Yeah, we boni yangda.
Yeah, game in Eliminati. AmaZulu plan and I eat very gilebotse.
Yeah.
But Nton Kajlokor Evereketi only for first half.
Yes.
Kibulicha Motugare, AmaZulu Hergaliona after I make a draw. Here we go Traor Kinyogodila Gomra and Comelo Roy punish on.
Yeah.
And then Tonga on Tagisagore sales.
Yeah.
Barke favor Sale, Bargema sales. Why give just Salina? Is my parents.
Okay, what are Sale?
My parents are doing to attack. Baragrata sales too much. And the Gautigara sales Osaeta, Osa adopt. Hanyan Wafita Mormunyakang. So, game Yamnati, Yola Ivilimnati.
Yeah.
Sundowns Ibon Chitore. I don't be only Kaizer Chiefs or Orlando Pirates affair.
Yeah.
Team or equal relegationing or a number man.
Yeah.
I respect Ariagas Kimisarna Sertor City winner game.
Yeah. So are you happy Maraka performance today?
Yeah, I'm happy. They perform very, very, very well. It doesn't matter how you win, or it doesn't matter how late you score or early you score.
Yeah.
So look at 3 points. As long as you manage 3 points, you are the best.
And then Sunday, what's happening Sunday?
Before get over Sunday,
yeah.
On a lentun kinyoko address Hanyana fella.
Bua Prasim.
Kenahana or PSL. Sometimes in a loose treat habits. Alma Sundowns. Sundowns is supporter fella like supporters channel management and a li player chayona. Unlike other teams still already supporter rajayona. Yeah. Lili reverie, lili media. Lo cheka muka. Yeah. Maraba kumane sin.
Mamba. Bua
Yola bon. Sundowns era loka di kapoche nchufita di team kamuka chamu PSL. Mara Sundowns I rest. Aba fi chance or rest.
Mara baru rest it's a weekend. Netamelo dale.
Emma pelo go watch. Sundowns I rest. Sundowns ikopeli ka game chana cha league. Team chelunga di na le 5 games in hand. Mara they resting a lot. A lot.
Mara you happy da kaka ya Sunday go restile Sunday.
Aso rest asil. And ibile araton lori rebais fato sabona PSL na I treat right. But the way we treat anga hona renarta ba treat camera ground.
Thank you.
As long as we treat a bed. Team che bona bana ro sanjili league ka favor bona. They will struggle. A lot.
Yeah. So Mara, what's happening Sunday?
About for Caperin.
It's done.
About for Caperin, no.
So why win a FNB Sunday?
Bona.
Yeah.
Let's jump up. Ona kubuli cheli last. Oh, neko just tibugar here FNB.
Yeah.
Reakadi champagne di cricket.
Yes.
Pro celebrate. Nekisanya ko reset clap engwe before the league. Kinyo ko reach mo yona Pirates. Pirates as team of the league. Obana henkebe to be honest. Yeah. Henkebe Chiefs iling yona ili number 2. Nenka feel pressure nyan re baganor baizis. Man Pirates.
So Chiefs is better than Pirates.
Far better than Pirates. Pirates equally dead.
It's Pirates.
They go number 2.
Yeah.
Mark my words. It over number 3 or number 4.
So Pirates are showing.
Pirates is dead.
Do what?
Here you go FNB. Here you go FNB. Rotoboa. Rotoboa go FNB. Ukula bana muku alega maral bogis. Rotoboa go FNB. Arora lokan. So Kaperna abar feona.
Sunday.
But Tommy fast.
And then score Sunday.
4.
Pirates, aye, 5. Bagata ba re tella 5. Guys,
FNB better 4.
4 bagata ba re tella. Re ka se team ya ukwa like Pirates 4 goals. Re better 5.
5.
Yes.
Yes.
Ba re he ba dumela o ba kolobetse.
Yeah, and then today, man of the match?
Yeah, but not today. On a limishman na raloka position 2 apere jersey number 2.
Yeah.
Wa Mazulu. Ai wa bana o wali India nyana so. Ya bana ai on ralukitse. Wa bana ola ora lukile. O tswaletse Reiners. Ka ipotsa maybe o tswaletse yena fela ai. O berekile mfanolo.
Emara sales. Ay, sales.
O kana mutsa ke.
Ay, my sister sales.
Ba re ke favor sales.
Yeah, ke sales wa semi.
Sales my sales.
Dankie die koffie kan er nou verder. Hey, tjara.